Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Person, my name is Zenon Prototype, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create HTML tables. And I'm also going to introduce you to Style Sheet. Style Sheet is a way of designing your web pages to make them look visually appealing and stunning. So we're going to start by creating a new file. I assume you've already opened the VS Code. After opening VS Code, if you don't know how to open VS Code, then I provide a link in the description and you watch the first video, my first video in this 100 days of code challenge. So let's create a new file. Let's call it any name, like maybe index.html. As usual, look for where to save it. Like I'm gonna save it inside the videos. Inside this videos folder. So yeah, I wanna replace it. So to that, we're gonna write exclamation mark to write the basic HTML layout. Let's call this HTML tables. HTML tables. So to create a table, simply you just use the table tag, this tag like this, and inside of these tags, you can just create data by using the TR tags. TR stands for table, and inside what we're going to start with is to create the table headers. These are headers for our data. Like for example, any table may have data, like username, like for example, maybe first name, and then maybe we have TD, another table, no, not table TD, but TH. TH because this, so maybe last name, then we might have something like maybe nationality. Now, when I open this file, not so? Yeah, we need to open this file, we need to run it. So, we need to run it. We need to go to our folder. So we're gonna go to our folder, like this is the videos folder where we save the file and we double tap on it. Once we double tap on it, it's going to show these are the table headers. So we can add some more data. Like for example, maybe let me put it here like this so as you can see it better. So after this, we're just gonna need to create another table here. I don't know, put it here. I'm gonna put it right here like this. We're gonna create another table, and this is going to have TD table data, not TH. TH stands for table headers, and TD for table data. So the number of TDs you create is the number of columns that are created. Like for example, I'm gonna say Hamza. Then here I say another table data, columns 9 and 4. And maybe here, actually, let me refactor this. Then maybe I say Ugandan. Yeah, I say Ugandan. So that's enough. In case I add another table data, just like this, remember this row is having, the first row is having 3, but this is having 4. So it's gonna span 4 rows, columns right here. As you see, we have another column right here, which is not tracked. So since this row is not tracked, we're not gonna accept it. We're just going to delete it. We're just gonna delete. Yeah, we're gonna delete it just like that. So we're going to create, actually, let me just copy this out. lag. Ah, so after copying it and pasting, maybe I may say this is Mike Gain. Then I say USA. Then I say this is Adrian. Steam. So maybe Croatia. And I say Lionel. Yes, right. And I say Argentina. This is with question. Then this is American. American. Anyways, please help me with this. So, unaweza kuwa ndio Avi na Argentina wameenda waje? Ah, let's guess Argentina. Yeah. So as you can see, we have these rows, and we may need to provide some space between these. So this just come here. Then, so if we want to style our pages, we want to style our pages to make them look more beautiful, our page to make it look beautiful, use the style tag, and then we're gonna start with the body. But for example, I will say body, and write brackets like that. Then you start writing what you want. So for example, if you want the background, if you want to change the background color, say the word background color, and then you write the name of the color you want. Like Ella is love, Alice blue, write Alice blue. And so we refresh, you're gonna see it's gonna change a little bit to give you this Alice blue lightness. Then we may wanna have the maybe padding. Like for example, we want padding to be 0. This is just to say that there is no distance between where the element starts from and even the body, the actual body. Then you may want to set the margin also. You may set the margin to 0. It's just to ensure that everything starts from the actual, from where the page starts from. And then here, we're going to look for the table. Now, after writing table, now we want to want to give it some padding. Like for example, padding, give it 1 pixel. And as we save, refresh, you see some difference. We give it margin. Like maybe margin, we give it 20 pixels. If we refresh, find there is some distance. We give it border. So I give it 2 pixels. Solid. Because I want the border to be in a solid format. Then let me give it a color. Maybe let me give it a blue violet. Like that. So as you can see, this is the border around our table. So members, this was just about creating the basic table layout and how we can use CSS to save our page. If you want to change maybe the background color, we've seen how to change the background color, and we've seen how to create a table. How can we save the table? Basically, if you've really loved the video, you can hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so as you can receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.